Okay guys, so this is Target. Let me show you how to get all of this for just $12.79. So regular price for this is around $50, but we will get it for just 12.79. And remember, the price of the Charmin starter kit is around $30, but we will get all of this for just 12.79. So for this transaction, guys, you need to have this spend 50, get $10 off a Target Circle bonus. So first item we're going to grab is the Charmin starter kit for $29.99, and we have $10 digital coupon, one of the Tide Oxy for $99, and we have $1.50 digital coupon, one of the Febreze plug for $3.69. We have $3.50 digital coupon. One of the Airwick starter kit for $7.89. And we have $5 digital coupon. And one of the Febreze small spaces, $3.69. And we have $2 digital coupon. So total for this transaction is $50.25. So yes, we can use the 10 of 50 Target Circle bonus. So we have the $10 for Charmin, the $2.50 or $3.50 for the plug, but it adjusted to $2.96. $2 for the small spaces, $1.50 for the Tide, and $5 for the Airwick. So we have a total of $31.46 coupon. So after all the coupons, you will pay $18.79 pre-tax, but then submit your receipt on Fetch for 4,000 points or $4 back for the Tide. And submit your receipt on Ibotta for $2 back for the Airwick. So you will pay $18.79 for this transaction, but then you will receive a total of $6 back, making all of this for just $12.79 for all, from $50 to $12.79. I think that's awesome deal. But if you want is here's another option. It's shipped to your house completely free without going to store. So you will get this for just $25.95. So you will grab one Downy, one Persil, one Gain, and also you will grab one of the Febreze plug, Febreze small spaces, one of the Suavitel, and one of the Palmolive. And here's all the coupons you need to clip for your transaction. Of course, the 10 of 50 Target Circle bonus, $3.50 for Febreze plug, $2 for the Febreze Air Spaces, $1.50 for Suavitel, $1.50 for Palmolive, $3 for the Downy, $3 for Persil, and $2 for the Gain. So total for your transaction is $51.93, and we have a total of $25.98 coupon. So after all the coupons, you'll pay around $25 pre-tax. So yes, guys, if you want to do this deal instead of going to store, it will shift to you completely free. That's 50% off. But I think I'm going to do this deal tomorrow in store because I really want to try that Charmin starter kit, and 12.79 for all of this. I think that's a really good deal. So yes, guys, that's a two quick and easy deal I want to share at Target. One online deal and one in-store deal. I think the in-store deal is a better deal if ever you want to do it in store or if you want to do the online deal. That's everything I got for you today, guys. For the two quick and easy deal you can do at Target. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.